Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will ask about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Flipboard app weekly on settings. Here in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we search about the application of Flipboard and we click here in this page. We click on Flipboard app. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. We will search about the application of Flipboard. And then here you will update your app if you find updates. So please